This is Canadian Spider-Man coming to you from a lake in British Columbia, and just gonna sit down to some breakfast here. And I just thought I'd like to share a tip. First of all, don't forget your hats when you go out in the sun if you're going to do any kind of activity, along with the sunscreen. I've done another video previously on that. But yes, if you're preparing meals in the Canadian wilderness, I recommend, beautiful background shot there, garlic salt and rosemary. That is indeed rosemary. Because often when you're cooking and eating outdoors in Canada, you're going to have pine needles and garlic salt sand in your meals. So the garlic salt and the rosemary help to disguise that so that you're not disturbed by that in your meal.